Simplify and write the answer in standard form, a plus bi. We are given the expression 2 divided by the complex number 4 minus 3i. And to simplify this complex number, we are not allowed to have I in the denominator of a fraction because of the whole I is the same thing as the square root of -1, and as you know, we're not allowed to have radicals in the denominator. So again, we're going to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by some form of 1, and we're going to use what's called the conjugate of 4 minus 3i. So all we need to do is change this sign to an addition sign. 4 plus 3i is the conjugate of 4 minus 3i. So we're going to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by the same thing. So we're multiplying it by 1, and we're just going to change what it looks like. And a property of conjugates is if you multiply two conjugates, complex conjugates together, you will get a real number, meaning we'll have an expression here without I. So again, we'll multiply this out. Denominator, we're going to use the FOIL method, first outside, inside, last, or simply take both terms in this polynomial times both terms in this polynomial. Positive 4 times positive 4 is positive 16. Positive 4 times positive 3i is positive 12i. Negative 3i times 4 is negative 12i. And negative 3i times positive 3i is negative 9i squared. The numerator will take 2 times the quantity 4 plus 3i, so we'll use the distributive property. 2 times 4, positive 8. 2 times positive 3i is positive 6i. Now we'll do some simplification. Numerator will stay 8 plus 6i. Denominator, a couple things are going on. The 16 will not change. Positive 12i minus 12i, those cancel each other out. And we have negative 9i squared. I squared becomes negative 1. So we have negative 9 times negative 1. Again, the positive 12i and the negative 12i eliminate each other. To simplify further, we have in the denominator 16 plus 9, which is 25. And in some textbooks, this is an acceptable final answer, 8 plus 6i over 25. The directions state they want us to write this answer in the form of a plus bi. So we're going to write it as 8 over 25, 8 over 25, plus 6 over 25i, 6 over 25i. And our fractions are in lowest terms. So there's our final answer, 8/25 plus 6/25 I.